Am I recording? Oh my gosh. I only got like 45 seconds to record this intro because I just put the video together and it's like 4 minutes and 15 seconds, which 45. My math is all off. But I'm probably already going over it now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to cut it out. I did some surf fishing. We had a good time. We caught some fish and there was a surprise. I think I hooked a shark for like a split second. I think I did though. Check it out. All right, guys. So, hey, I'm excited. I mean, well, I've made videos before, but this is my first surf fishing video. Yeah. Yes, I'm using a GoPro. Yes, I'm using an external. The external mic, which doesn't usually sound that good. But hey, I'm gonna start doing surf videos, surf fishing videos, and let's see what happens. You know, I'll tell you what, it's pretty out here. It's beautiful. Okay. Anyway. So we are in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, in a very secretive location. We can't tell you where it is, but we can show you the fish we catch. Frozen shrimp. And fish bites. That's what we're using today. I think a 2. I'm gonna go with 4s, just so I can keep them on the bottom. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, got this. I got this. This is my first time using crab. Try that. See how that does. All right. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Now, supposedly that's colonies of sand fleas. Maybe I can go get some of those. I'll try in a minute. Okay. First, we need to wait. Throw that down there for now. All right. So shrimp first. Shrimp first, fish bites second. Then you have peace of mind. So your shrimp comes off, your fish bites is still there. I like to have peace of mind when I'm fishing, especially surf fishing. Peace of mind. That's what I call this. Alright, there we are. Let's make our first cast. The tide is low. Low tide. Water is, ooh, nice chilly. I like it. And I'm gonna go out here. Oh, yeah. The waves are breaking pretty good out there, but they're out there. Still gotta. We located this place on Google Maps. I really need to scatter my baits if possible. Through just over that breaker. Hey! Get away. Maybe fish on? No fish on. I did get a bite. Add more shrimp? Yeah, let's do it. I did have a bite, but no shrimp. I may just send this one back out. Oh yeah, there's one. We got a bite. We got a fish on. We got a fish on. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a fish on. We got a fish on. We got a fish on. Yeah! Come to Papa. Fish on. We got a fish on. That drag tight. This could be a pump. This could be a pompano. He's definitely moving side to side. It could be a pompano. It could be a pompano. If it's a pompano, I'm gonna be excited, but I bet it's a catfish. It's probably a catfish. More than likely, it's a catfish. I bet I got a catfish. I'm gonna think I got a catfish. Come on, be positive. It's not a catfish. Not a catfish. It's 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 a catfish. Okay. Well, there's that. I didn't have my pliers in my pocket. Need to put my pliers in my pocket. If I had my pliers in my pocket, then I wouldn't have to walk all the way up here. Alright, so let's see. I need to get my pliers. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. It's like, get the kitty cat off of there. Watch out for those spines, guys. Hey, but these spines come in handy. A little way to catch them and release them. Catch them and release them. I mean, I heard people eat these, but motherfuckers gotta be crazy. You gotta be crazy. Look at him. Isn't that pretty? With the sunset and fish moving through the water like that. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Weird, it wasn't really a bite, I guess. That's a bite. Oh, I got a fish on. Cat needs foul hook. Another fish. This thing's a lot smaller. A lot smaller. Little whiting probably. I'm guessing we got a little whiting, but then no, maybe a catfish. The thing's moving a lot. Fighting a lot. That's a good whiting. That's a good whiting. That's a good whiting. Come on, dude. He'll go 10. He's not great, but he'll go 10. I see you. Ooh, he's stealing. Ooh, he's stealing. Oh yeah. Fish on. Yeah. Oh. Cat. Yep. Woo, dude! This just happened too, dude. See what happened? He just got hit by a shark. It did act really funny. When it first came in, my rod went bent over big time. You see those marks? Dude, that's a shark. Right? What do you think? Comment below. Do you think it was a shark? I think it was a shark. Those are some pretty gnarly slashes. I mean, unless Freddy Krueger's out there, it was a shark. Oh yeah, one last thing. Like, subscribe, share. And I still need the catchphrase. I'm still having to say hamburger.